Matt Hancock, UK Health Minister, on Wednesday informed that 2 cases of another new strain of the virus linked to South Africa have been detected in Britain. The new variant identified earlier is also driving a massive resurgence of the disease in South Africa, with experts warning the country is probably facing a much larger second wave. Both are contacts of cases that have travelled from South Africa over the past few days, Hancock said, addressing a brief from 10 Downing Street. This new variant is highly concerning because it is yet more transmissible, and it appears to have mutated further than the new variant that has been discovered in the UK, he said. The minister confirmed immediate restrictions on travel from South Africa and the government's urgent message being for anyone who has been in South Africa or been in contact with someone linked with the country in the last fortnight to immediately quarantine. Analysis on the new mutation and its trajectory in the UK is meanwhile being analysed by scientific experts at Porton Down, the country's specialist laboratory in southwest England. As a result, even more parts of the UK are set to be put under the strictest level of lockdown after ministers held talks earlier on Wednesday following the UK registering 36,804 positive cases, the largest daily number of infections recorded at any time during the pandemic. Millions more in the east and southeast England will be placed into the Tier 4 highest alert level from December 26, celebrated as Boxing Day, the day after Christmas, as the new UK variant of virus continues to show high transmissibility. The minister also revealed that the Oxford University vaccine being produced by AstraZeneca has submitted its full data package for regulatory approval, even as the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine rollout continues. I know how hard 2020 has been for everybody, but we must not give up now. We know that we can control this virus. We know we can get through this together. I know from the bottom of my heart that there are brighter skies ahead, he said. The briefing comes as the new variant identified in the UK last week, named VUI 2020-12-1, and with much higher transmissibility, led to several countries including India cutting off transport links with the UK in an effort to try and contain its spread outside Britain. Backlog of lorries built upon the UK border with France have now begun to gradually clear up after an agreement was reached. France agreed to lift its ban on UK arrivals on the condition of a negative virus test. However, there have been reports of scuffles on the UK-France border as truckers faced days ahead before the nearly 1,500 lorries can start moving towards their destinations. During what is an annual festive and holiday period in the UK with Christmas and New Year, millions in the country have had their plans to meet friends and families scuppered after UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson abandoned a planned 5-day Christmas bubble after scientists confirmed the new virus variant was spreading more rapidly. Under the revised rules, only people within tiers 1 to 3 are permitted to socialize in a bubble of 3 households on December 25 for Christmas Day. Those in Tier 4 areas must not celebrate Christmas with members of their own household and support bubble. They will not be allowed to travel to other tiers to see family and friends. The opposition Labour Party has accused Johnson of having always been behind the virus curve and urged him to move quickly. If the scientific advice is tougher restrictions, don't sit on it for weeks like you did last time. Don't dither, don't delay because that has disastrous consequences. Take the action that is needed now to save lives, said Labour's Shadow Health Secretary John Ashworth. However, Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer has written to Johnson to say his party will back any government moves to tighten restrictions if that is what scientists recommend. News Desk Kamudi, English.